Hello there, today I show you my dance photography enhancement Photoshop action, how to use it and custom it and give you some extra tricks. This is the previously apply some result. See the looking, you can very easily change the color and motion style and contrast your photo, and every layer is separate. See the looking is very nice manipulation. Just one click, do not need more experience. Open your photo and brush and hit the play button. Just see, it's very professional and a high resolution image work perfectly, and set any type of image. We just thinking all type of image, then we make this. See, and backdrop auto making. You can use your one background, or you can use my create background. See the background looking is very nice, and you can change the background shading. This is the portrait. See the portrait looking is very nice, and dancing photo. Okay, now I have used it. Go my download file first, and there is show brush file, action file, and the cover photo. And this is the help file. There is some information include written how to use it, and the brush spelling you can check it, and there is the supporting information, our how to get support and replay fast, or you can get the live support from me. uh, just join my Facebook fan page or WhatsApp number, message me and fix the time if need any help. So first time I load the brush, select and double click, it's loaded automatically your Photoshop, or you can go your Photoshop, go window and brush option, then you can go, if the brush action option show, then go there and the input brush, and find out the my download file there folder, and brush section, load button click. Now brush is loaded. Go window and action option click. Now action plate maybe show the right side. I have drag and drop it left side for better understanding purpose, and I have clicked this option and load the action. Now I have go my download file and load button click. See up and down, this is the folder, and this is the left side script, and this is the right side script. Okay, so I preferred this one. Okay, and you can use this one, and that is your choice. So I have select the first one left side and open my photo. You can open any type of photo, but this time I show you this photo for dancing photo. Is so set any composition photo, and you can make the space if you think you need to more space or more area of your focus point, so you can make it fast, and crop tool, using the crop tool. Now make sure your photo is a RGB color mode, and if not, then go image mode and RGB, just click there. Okay, show any message, just OK button click. Now make sure your photo is a lock icon show, background name is background name. Sometimes some photo look like PNG transparent, that is not accept the action, you need to fix it. If your photo PNG transparent or layer 0 format, you need to fix. Right button click your mouse the layer option and fit an option click. Now is set a lock background layer, and check out the panel option, entire document small, and as it is my setting. Okay, and quick selection tool for shortcut option, you can use the pen tool by selection option, but if you use the pen tool, you must be delete the path, this option. Okay, but I do not need this because I have used quick selection tool, and if I quick selection tool select, there is select subject button show, just click the select subject, is auto focus your select photo, so it save your time. See, and there is the mistake for this area is not working, so you can add this, just shift, or you can check out your, or not, I have there, check now the alta, and now this is show, and if you think the remove sum of area, like this area, then you can shift. Okay, now is okay. Create a new layer. There, this option, click and double click new layer text option, type there BRU brush, BRUSH brush. Same my spelling, do not include any other character, space, hyphen, comma, or uppercase, lowercase letter, mix up letter, only lowercase, and click the other option like blank space. And now my selection is selection. I have fill it for pen bucket tool, or you can use the brush tool and select any light color, and I have select the brush layer and fill up the brush layer option. See, just anyway you can any of tool use, just fill up this option and make sure delete there is no path option show, and make sure you are the deselection option. So your photo now selection mode. See, selection mode, so need to deselect, select and deselect. Now it's ready to apply. And if you think some of area you need to work, you can need to brush, select the brush tool. So you can select brush tool and brush some area. This is the soft brush. Use general default brush, you can use the hard brush. See, there you have, just make sure you brush the brush layer and brush layer eye is the visual. See, there is no need to more experience, just brush normal way you can brush it your photo. If you think the perfectly work and nicely cut out the photo. Okay, I have select the brush layer and select the 101 left side and hit the play button. Now is start working, depend your PC configuration and your image resolution size. All layers are separate, you can work separate by separate, freehand working. If needed you can do this, and color version include always. This is the result and our default color setting and looking everything, and you can change it very easily, just I show you. And check out the all layer, see our up and down option. This is the back making and shadow making, see the darkness and others making. If you don't like the our 3D like a flooring system background, so you just uncheck all and solid color is there, so only solid color. And if you need do the PNG, so this is the background, and if you off this one, the your real background is show, and off this one you can make very easily PNG by save the export and export quick export PNG. Okay, but I think this is the more glamour and glossy option, you can use it. There is the option separately supporting option, and the smoke, another foggy smoke, you can change the fog smoke color using this tool. See, darkness or light and more whiteness, you can select an okay color, but I do not do this. My default format is okay. This is the motion and thunder option, and another motion looking the middle center, another. So this is the photo, you can use the photo, this option, marks option, and select the brush. You can brush the area and make sure you brush top color is black, and you brush, then smoothing your photo and view the effect looking like I need to this area for my back effect looking. So see, this is a very nicely view, and do not need this, just brush this area and it's view it back, white color back and black color white. Okay, and there is the extra motion option and another motion, another one. You can select and marks, use the marks, just remove, see the remove option. Okay, fog and another smoke looking, and select, you can remove the smoke very easily. Check out Okay, any of area you can remove this fog, see, or do not like the fog, just uncheck this one, see the another looking. And this is the color adjustment, the multicolor looking. I just show you the effect looking, and use multicolor combination and another color combination and another. Check out, just color change very easily, we have include many color. Just uncheck this one and another looking, and another and another. You can use the dual, the combine, okay, and use this one another looking. And there is another color combined, the darkish color. I love this type of color, and our default setting is always best. Sometimes some people look like add the color, so I include more color. And shining, this is the for fire color looking, and reddish. And there is the color option separately, you can check out and double click this option, you can check the color any of place and place it, and just okay button click is place. Okay, this is the color 19 exclusive faded tone, this is the exclusive color. Another the faded color, another one the darkish color, this is the cinematic looking style. And this is the color changing option, double click this color of changing option and you can change the color, see. And double click this option, the one color changer, very easily you can change color just of this layer. Okay, and I show you the another photo now, how is work like. I use this photo. Okay, I think space is perfect, and quick selection tool and select subject button click. Now I have created new layer, double click new layer, text option, and I have deselect, and there is the mistake, auto selection mode, right button click, and you can use the general brush, and make sure you select the brush layer and brush area, just fill up the area. I think this is perfect. And now I hit the right side. Okay, this one, the 2 number, select and hit button play, and right side is working. And if you think you are not expert in Photoshop, there is no need to expert, or you can live support me very easily. See, the photo size is low, this way the motion or all are not show. So sometimes some people look like this one. This photo size is 2048 pixel, but if I make the bigger size or a space, then this looking must be changed, delete and path, everything delete, and only show only for background. Okay, I think make some space, and image size I have changed like 300 pixel now, and right side. Okay, just wait and see. See, now perfectly show motion in the focus point, and others area is blank. So totally depend of your choice, you can do anything. Thanks for see this video and purchase this product. Still, if you need any kind of help, you can send a message our profile or our Facebook fan page MRI Studio, and our WhatsApp number mention it, our help file or our description.